Jai Srimanarayana. 10th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mayicha ananya yogena bhaktihi avyabhicharini vivikta desha सेवित्वम् अरतिः जनसंसदि ॐ Make sure you have unflinching devotion towards Sri Krishna Paramatma. Make sure that you have got convinced that there is nothing higher than Sri Krishna Paramatma. Make sure that you are narrowing all your attention and devotion towards Krishna Paramatma. Make sure that you are not liking to be with the people who are totally worldly minded. Then you will definitely be liked by Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly suggesting you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja. Ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall make sure that I have unflinching devotion towards you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall make sure that I am convinced that there is nothing higher than you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall make sure that all my attention and devotion is narrowed down only towards you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall make sure that I am not liking to be with the people who are totally worldly minded. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada's story to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, Devatas did Rajya Pattabhishekam, coronation to Prahlada. After that, Devatas left to their own abodes. So, Diti's sons, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakasipu, both of them used to be Vishnu Parshadas. Because of one Brahmana's curse, they born like this, and Paramatma killed them. After that, only both of them again born as Kumbhakarna, Ravana, and were killed by Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then after that, they born again as Sisupala, Dantavaktra, again were killed by Devadeva Sri Krishna Paramatma. You know that, you have seen that. Dharmaja, yadha yadha bhagavato bhaktya paramaya bhida. Whoever always thinks about Sri Krishna Paramatma, those devotees definitely attain Sri Krishna Paramatma. Not only devotees, these Sisupala, Dantavaktra, with so much of anger, they used to always think about Sri Krishna Paramatma. Because of that, they also attained Sri Krishna Paramatma. You have asked me a question in the very beginning that how did Sisupala, Dantavaktra attain moksham when they were having so much of animosity to Sri Krishna? That is what I clarified to you with so many stories. O Dharmaja, whatever the dharmam, whatever the path by which Paramatma's, Srimannarayana's supremacy is completely realized, that is what the dharmam known as Bhagavata dharmam. And this Prahlada's story reveals Srimannarayana's supremacy. That is why those who gets to listen to Prahlada's story, those who narrates Prahlada's story, they definitely karmapasaihi vimuchyate, they will be relieved from the karma bondage. And those who gets to listens to, or those who narrates the Prahlada story, Sri Narasimha Swami's Avirbhavam and Hiranyakasipu's Vadha, they will never have any kind of fear, they will definitely attain moksham. Like that Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namara setravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 10th sloka. Mayicha ananya yogena bhaktihi avyabhicharini vivikta desa sevitvam aratihi jana samsadi. Mayicha ananya yogena bhaktiravyabhicharini vivikta desa sevitvam aratir jana samsadi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.